Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Pick List. Today we're checking out the top 10 best home vacuum cleaner to help you tackle dust, pet hair, and everyday messes with ease. A great vacuum is the cornerstone of a clean home, and I've spent weeks researching and testing models to find the absolute best. Now here's why it matters. Modern vacuums offer incredible convenience with features like powerful cordless suction, smart self-emptying bases, and specialized tools for every surface. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. OIFYEM Home Vacuum Cleaner. The OIFYEM Home Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for busy households seeking a powerful and versatile cleaning solution. Featuring a robust motor and advanced cyclonic suction, this vacuum effortlessly lifts embedded dirt, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors. Its lightweight and cordless design, equipped with a long-lasting rechargeable battery, provides exceptional maneuverability for quick cleanups and whole home sessions without outlet restrictions. Made from durable materials, it includes multiple attachments for reaching upholstery, corners, and above-floor surfaces with ease. Its easy empty dustbin and washable filters ensure low maintenance and consistent performance. Whether tackling daily messes or deep cleaning, the OIFYEM vacuum delivers reliable power and convenience, making it an essential tool for an effortlessly clean home. VIAFLY Home Vacuum Cleaner. The VIAFLY Home Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for households seeking a powerful and versatile cleaning solution for every surface. Featuring a robust motor and advanced cyclonic technology, it delivers superior suction to effectively remove embedded dirt, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors. Its lightweight and ergonomic design makes maneuvering around furniture and upstairs effortless, while the generous dustbin capacity reduces the frequency of emptying. Equipped with a suite of specialized attachments, it easily transforms to clean upholstery, blinds, and tight corners, ensuring a comprehensive clean throughout your home. Whether tackling daily messes or deep cleaning sessions, the VIAFLY Home Vacuum Cleaner combines reliable performance with exceptional convenience, making it an essential tool for maintaining a spotless living environment. Zyxrona Home Vacuum Cleaner. The Zyxrona Home Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for busy households seeking a powerful and effortless cleaning solution. Featuring a robust 2,000-watt motor and advanced cyclonic technology, it delivers superior suction to lift embedded dirt, pet hair, and allergens from both carpets and hard floors. Made from durable, lightweight materials, its ergonomic design ensures easy maneuvering around furniture and into tight spaces without strain. Equipped with a HEPA filtration system, it captures 99.97% of microscopic particles, releasing cleaner air back into your home for a healthier environment. Its generous capacity dustbin reduces frequent emptying, while the complete set of specialized tools tackles every surface from upholstery to ceilings. AIRDIYA Home Vacuum Cleaner. The AIRDIYA Home Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for busy households seeking a powerful and versatile cleaning solution. Featuring a robust 20 kPa suction system, this vacuum effortlessly lifts embedded dirt, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Its advanced 5-stage filtration ensures that 99.99% of microscopic dust and allergens are captured, releasing only clean air back into your home. Equipped with a lightweight yet durable design and a long-lasting lithium battery, it provides up to 45 minutes of cordless runtime for unimpeded whole home cleaning. Whether tackling daily messes or deep cleaning sessions, the AIRDIYA combines superior power, exceptional filtration, and remarkable convenience, making it an essential upgrade for a healthier, spotless living environment. LEVOIT Home Vacuum Cleaner. The LEVOIT Home Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for busy households seeking a powerful yet lightweight cleaning solution. Featuring a robust motor and advanced cyclonic suction, it effortlessly lifts embedded dirt, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Its versatile design includes multiple attachments, such as a crevice tool and motorized brush, making it easy to clean stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces. Made from durable materials, this vacuum is built for longevity and features a large capacity dustbin to reduce frequent emptying. Its compact and cordless form ensures easy storage and maneuverability around furniture. Whether you're tackling daily messes or deep cleaning sessions, the LEVOIT Home Vacuum Cleaner delivers reliable performance and convenience, making it an essential tool for a spotless home. Shark Home Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark Home Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for busy households seeking a powerful and versatile cleaning solution. Featuring advanced Duo Clean technology, it seamlessly transitions from hard floors to carpets without any manual adjustments, ensuring no debris is left behind. Equipped with strong suction and a self-cleaning brush roll, it effectively captures everything from fine dust to large debris while preventing hair wrap for consistent performance. Its lightweight and swivel steering design makes navigating furniture and tight spaces effortless, reducing cleaning fatigue. Made from durable materials, this vacuum is built for reliability and long-term use in any home environment. Whether you're tackling daily messes or deep cleaning sessions, the Shark Home Vacuum Cleaner delivers superior convenience and thorough results, making it an essential tool for maintaining a pristine living space. Eureka Hard Pet Home Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka Hard Pet Home Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for pet owners seeking a powerful and dedicated solution for stubborn pet hair and embedded dirt. Featuring a specialized turbo palm motorized brush roll, this vacuum effectively loosens and lifts hair from carpets, upholstery, and hard floors with remarkable ease. Equipped with a 5-layer filtration system, it captures 99.9% of dust and allergens, expelling cleaner air back into your home for a healthier environment. Its durable construction and large-capacity dust cup ensure reliable performance during extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. Whether tackling daily shedding or deep cleaning high-traffic areas, the Eureka Hard Pet Home Vacuum combines superior suction, thoughtful pet-specific features, and robust filtration, making it an essential tool for maintaining a pristine, pet-friendly home. Eureka Ultra Lightweight NEU10AE 4 Home Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka Ultra Lightweight NEU10AE 4 Home Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for anyone seeking powerful cleaning without the heavy lifting. Featuring a high-performance motor, this vacuum delivers superior suction to effectively remove dirt, dust, and debris from carpets and hard floors. Made from durable yet lightweight materials, its ergonomic design ensures easy maneuverability around furniture and upstairs without causing strain. Equipped with a convenient onboard tool set, it quickly transforms for cleaning upholstery, ceilings, and tight spaces. Its large-capacity dust cup reduces the frequency of emptying, making cleaning sessions more efficient. Whether you live in a compact apartment or a multi-story home, the Eureka NEU10AE4 combines essential power with effortless handling, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining a spotless living environment. Eureka NEU10AE5 Ultra Lightweight Home Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka NEU10AE5 Ultra Lightweight Home Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for anyone seeking powerful cleaning without the heavy lifting. Featuring a robust 10-amp motor, this vacuum delivers superior suction to effectively remove dirt and debris from carpets and hard floors. Its ultra-lightweight design, weighing just under 9 pounds, makes navigating stairs and furniture effortless, reducing user fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. Equipped with a convenient fingertip cord release and a generous 25-foot power cord, it allows for easy maneuverability across large rooms without constant plug changes. The washable filter and dust cup system provide a hassle-free, bagless cleaning experience while saving on ongoing costs. Eureka 2.5L Vac Home Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka 2.5L Vac Home Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for households seeking powerful, hassle-free cleaning in a lightweight design. Featuring a robust 2.5-liter dust container, this vacuum significantly reduces the frequency of messy emptying during your chores. Equipped with a high-performance motor, it delivers superior suction power to effectively lift dirt, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Its compact and ergonomic build ensures easy maneuvering around furniture and into tight spaces, making quick cleanups effortless. Made from durable materials, it promises reliable, long-term use for daily maintenance. Whether you are tackling busy living areas, kitchens, or bedrooms, the Eureka 2.5L Vac combines essential power with remarkable convenience, becoming an indispensable tool for any efficient home.